Hola, 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 mga Italianos. Welcome back to another episode of Kasi Lifestyle Originals. It's a boy here, Zulu Ocean, back again with another one, all the way from Jersey, from Soweto. You know how it is, man. Yo, yeah, man, today we're going all the way to South Africa. We're going to be checking out an artist who goes, well, artists, plural. So DJ Sliqe, he's back with another one called iJuzi, and he features Sastii from the Qwellers, lacabra, Lowfeye, Yungboyvegeta, also from the Qwellers. All four of them, they're from the Qwellers, you know. So it's DJ Sliqe featuring the Qwellers, you know. And FlowJones Jr as well, and FlowJones Jr. I don't know why they did not add him here in the description here. I don't know why, you know. But yeah, there's also FlowJones. FlowJones is also here in the song as well. So yeah, so let's check out, you know, Sliqe and the Qwellers and FlowJones Jr. Hey, Sliqe was thinking recording last month, I think, yeah, with FlowJones there on the Instagram live. And hey, there was a song where FlowJones was laying some ad-libs and it fucking sounded dope, you know. When is that song coming out, DJ Sliqe, bro? Sliqe, when is that song coming out, bro? Let me know. Yeah, so yeah, this one, there's no visuals for this one, it's just audio. So let's check it out, man. Let's check it out. Sliqe.
Time out. Udala uthanda even if I fall out. Follow usane niggas but I'm all out. Ngithula ngibabhe. Don't know about currencies. Spend that
He danger. I knew powers chosen Jesus. In a manger. I'm gonna share my body fake. Can't change it. Now your family acting strange. He danger. I had the pain. I was just stuck in the rain. And I guess when it rain. I got excited, make motion. She got excited, so much. Talk about when I cook, I'm not on the prayer. Is it pussy so pissed way too cause we prayed up.
I done waited for too long. Nigga got his weight up. Nigga said it put me on. My nigga got jet. I see you later. Put your fingers up every time I post a picture for my haters. Comments haters. You my busy game for sure. I see you shy, but the boy got the guess. I take a shot, I'll be keeping so guess. And my ball, I'm asking Gala and Bombay. We tell you from the kids coming back. Everything that I do, stand. I'm way up cause of what time. Let's see people alligator. I'm trying to get sexy taser.
Umkhuhlane ungabona ifinyila ingoba ngihlane umfana omncane lo mfana uyashisa I promise you fire amanje maningi akhula agcwele inkomishi lacabra hayi kana khuthela kasuthu methi yathesa thula
Budget, see a swag. He danger. I knew powers chosen Jesus. In a manger. I'm gonna share my body fake. Can't change it. Now your family acting strange. He danger. I had the pain. I was just stuck in the rain. And I guess when it rain. I got excited, make motion. She got excited, so much. Talk about when I cook, I'm not on the prayer. Is it pussy so pissed way too cause we prayed up.
Now touch it at the top. I'm on ops, full of stress. Nothing is God. I got my label, full of push. Swears and keep it autograph. Sign up, make
ngathi ngisikorokoro kamalebula afuna ukungiphusha. Hey, lacabra.
God. I got my label, full of push. Swears and keep it autograph. Sign up, make it choose. Yeah, I get Pelex sauce. At the same time, I always search. Big like cash, your pets is bad. Go do category. I forget how a pet to mess. I'm a rap, I know. Pennies and gaming complexion being locked up in the stool. In this spot, I get on my plate, but I will have to.
Feel like God and ribs, they keep she not paid. I'm a ready, then I say, got a couple on my tape. Some is me, then I pay. Got a stickers, not my tape. Now it's up, then my day.
Budget, see a swag. He danger. I knew powers chosen Jesus. In a manger. I'm gonna share my body fake. Can't change it. Now your family acting strange. He danger.
Hey. iJuzi. iJuzi. Hey yo. Hey yo. I know. FlowJones came in again and he did the things that needed to be done. Nangis. FlowJones number 7, guys. FlowJones. Yes, sir. Le ntwana ibambeke. Le ntwana iyingozi. FlowJones. Abantu bashana noSliqe. Bayeke. Enamona manje baphethena amaqwela. No. Le number yilo ntwana yami. iJuzi. You know, it's fire. I won't lie. You know, there's some words I did not hear properly. You know, I did not understand because you know FlowJones sometimes. You know, bon. Therefore, it's like you say too much about but it's like when singayizwa about manje ukuthi uthini manje le ntwana. But otherwise, even though we can't hear what he's saying, it's fire. You know, and ngithola le ntwana ithi ijabula mayibosha ngithola ahleka mayibosha le ntwana ngithola like yabona. You know, that's the kind of energy we need right now. That's the kind of energy we need right now in SA hip hop, you know, and they're bringing it, man. They're bringing it, especially the Qwellers, man. The Qwellers are bringing the energy back in SA hip hop, and you know they're pushing a movement. You know, they're pushing a movement, and I'm down for it, man. I'm really fucking down for this movement. You know, it's dope. Can't wait to see where they take the movement. You know, and but overall, it's in safe hands, man. It's in safe hands. You know, like Ricky would have been proud of this. You know, like or like this new wave. You know, and Sliqe as well. You know, pushing the new kids as well. You know, that's fucking dope, man. That's fucking dope. You know, and yeah, and Sliqe, man, Sliqe always delivers, man. Sliqe, when I am, is a new volume in danger yam dog. Is a new volume, dogs. Give us another volume in Jayam dog. Young child, yeah, see Lindy the weather lamb, sky, my G. Yeah, the streets are hungry, my G. The streets are hungry, you know. But either way, though, what do you guys think about the song, man? What do you guys think about the song? Man, I think the song, yeah, this song is definitely in the top 5 of like hit songs in SA hip hop. Yeah, so yeah, it's definitely my top 5 of the thingy hit songs in SA hip hop this year. You know, and yeah, and I think it's gonna run up the numbers. It will. You know, so let's get guys, please go listen to the song, go check it out. If you also vibe with the song, let me know what you guys think on the comment section about the song. And yeah, we need the visuals now. Now we need the visuals. I need to see who was rapping what part. Yeah, I need the visuals. Now I need the visuals. But otherwise though, fucking loved it. You know how it is, man. You know how it is. What's this? Yeah. But yeah. Otherwise though, that's it right now for me. I go by the name of Zulu Ocean, signing out from Qwellers FlowJones Studios. You know how it is. Oh, before I sign out, Qwellers, man, if you guys are down for like hitting it up for you know, jam session, you know, like like a small, I don't want to say interview, but just like a small, you know, get together where we, you know, I can pull up with the cams and, you know, and we can, you know, document, you know, what you guys are trying to achieve in the game and what you guys are all about, you know, and yeah, where you guys, you know, started and everything, you know, that will be really dope, you know. Let me know if you guys are down for that. But yeah, that's it right now for me. I go by the name of Zulu Ocean, signing out from Qwellers FlowJones Jr. Easy Makasi Italianos. Oh yeah, shoot.